Hello everyone, welcome back to Java T Point. So in today's video we will be discussing a problem related to Stream API which was recently asked in an interview to me. I have seen multiple questions on the internet but this one was new, so let's get into it and try to solve it. Basically we need to convert a list of string which has strings inside it which are separated by colon, and we need to group them. So the expected output is we should get a map of string and list of string. So here if you see the input, we have string values that are colon separated. So here we have key, here we have value. So we want to group all the values on the basis of key, and their corresponding value should be as list of string inside this new map. So let's quickly jump into it. The very first step what we do is we create a stream. So this is pretty simple. As we have the stream, let's map it. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to split each and every string with the delimiter colon. For that we are using map function. I'm not going to go in deep like what all map and everything does. We have to focus on solution. I'm assuming like you guys are already aware about the functions of stream API. So map each string into a string array, because this split function of string will return us string array by separating each and every value on the basis of this delimiter. Once we have the string array, we need to start collecting. So for collect, we have collect method, and as we need to group on the basis of key, we need to use collectors dot grouping by. On what basis we need to group? Now here if you see, once we split the string, as we have two values inside it, so while getting this array, this will be 0th position of that array and this will be first position of that array. We want to use 0th position of an array as a key. So grouping by what will be my key, on what basis of key we are going to group. So that will be arrays 0 position. Okay, we have given the key. Now we need to collect the values, but also we want to collect them in a string, because there are multiple values with respect to key. You can see now char has a, b and c. For that we are aware like after split, first position of our array is value. So how we can get that? So for that we have one function. We are so lucky, like we have utility class collectors which has pre-provided us multiple methods for our daily support. So now mapping on basis of what we are going to do, the value. So let's pass that array here as well, and we need to access the first position of that array. Okay, now we have accessed the first position of that array, and we need to store it inside a list. So characters dot to list. Now if you see, the output or the return value of this grouping by will be, we will have a map of string comma list of string. Okay, let's try to check the values. So output dot entry set dot for each. Let's quickly run the program and see the output. Great. So we have got what we were expecting, char and a list of string string and list of string. So strings all values are added as part of this list, and chars all values are added as part of this list. That was pretty much in this video. All the best for your upcoming interviews, and try to have deep understanding of the stream API, and all the best. Thank you for watching.